The Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro feature a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus display with a trendy 19:9 aspect ratio. The side bezels are relatively thin, but one can find the thick bezels on the chin. The back of the phone looks like the previous Redmi Note 5 Pro. It houses a vertical dual rear camera setup along with a fingerprint sensor. The Redmi 6 Pro will be available in black, rose gold, red, blue and gold color options. On the camera front, the Redmi 6 Pro is packed a dual rear camera setup comprising of 12MP plus 5MP sensors. Up front, a 5MP snapper could be fitted for selfies and video calling utilities. The front camera double up as a face recognition feature for securely unlocking the device. On the software side, the Redmi 6 Pro ships with Android 8.1 Oreo OS with Xiaomi latest MIUI 10 layered on the top. Xiaomi is also have artificial intelligence features that was unveiled with the recent MIUI 10. Underneath the hood, the Redmi 6 Pro powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor clocked at 2 GHz. There is an Adreno 506 GPU on board for graphical functions. The device will likely be offered in different RAM and storage variants, which is still unknown. The Redmi 6 Pro is expected to pack a 4000 mAh battery unit just like the Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro. Alongside the Redmi 6 Pro, Xiaomi is also expected to unveil the Mi Pad 4. The phone will be first launched in China on June 25. Indian customers can expect it to hit the market sometime later this year, probably with a different name.